So if you're thinking about making a living with a mobile coffee business, there's going to be some numbers that you're going to need to crunch. The first one's going to be your cost of goods. And that's just basically how much it costs you to pay for a cup of coffee before you sell it, the cup cost. The second one, and when I say cup cost, I mean all the ingredients involved in the cup cost too. The second one is monthly expenses. You gotta know how much your revolving monthly expenses are. Some of those are going to fluctuate. Some of them are going to be set in stone, like your commissary kitchen. But your monthly expenses is another number you'll need to run. You'll need to know the startup cost, how much it's going to cost for the equipment and the apparatus, whether or not that's a trailer or a cart. And then from there, once you have those three solid numbers, then you can begin projecting profits. That's the last one. If this type of stuff catches your attention, you're starting to kind of turn the wheels on this, you're thinking you might launch a coffee truck, trailer, cart, check out our website. We have a free step-by-step checklist on the website, and it's definitely worth its money because it's free. So check that out. It's a good place to start. My name is Vincent. This is Green Joe Coffee.